Hello and good day traders. This is USDJPY, most popular and widely traded pair, one of the most basic and primary pair. Now, this was the last week analysis, and we had this. This was the situation when we measured the imbalance on the top side of the market, and this week it has been taken out considerably to this extent now, and you guys can see that it is a very good bullish candle at the moment, and a little bit of a shadow on the top, and until February is finished we don't know what will happen here. Coming back to weekly now, you guys can see there is a lot of indecision going on. Despite the market is bullish, but the strength of upside momentum is getting very weak. At the moment, the candle came here, touched the previous imbalance of the month, then started moving upward. Rejection from here, rejection from here, then moving upward, and here we got some imbalance here. So here we got some weekly imbalance. You guys can see here, and this is one weekly imbalance has been created before, and if we see considering last week, still there is a little, but the imbalance still exists here. So these are the two things, and we can see that it has came back here, touched this imbalance and moving upward, the traction, but after last Friday the market couldn't able to break this top, rather it started getting a little bit weak. So the market is at the moment, we can say, is a confusing state. So that's the all we can say in from weekly. In daily, now guys, you guys can see last week it doesn't did anything at all to the market. Most of the cases it is very clear now. This single candlestick on 13th February has not been broken either on the top side, not on the bottom side, and this candle is controlling, and all of these are inside bar. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 inside bar. 8 days of trading is happening inside this single candlestick, which was very big bullish on last February, I mean Wednesday, 14th February, the Valentine's Day, whatever it is called. So this is what happening, and on last Friday it tried to break a little bit up, but it failed and retraced back into this. So this is rejection. We have rejection, but on the top side we are getting one rejection. The second rejection has already appeared. So at the moment, what I can say is this: the market is confused, because only I will trade this pair if it breaks up on here, or if it breaks down here. These are the two areas I would like to see. If it breaks out here, then the way it will do is that it is going to come here, take out this imbalance, go up, retest this line. It will retest this line. If it retests this point, it will retest this point, then it will move upward, taking out this one, the highest of the recent time. This is one option. The other option I have in mind, the way the market is now gazing after the FOMC minus has been released on 30 and 31st January, released on last Wednesday. People are gazing that the interest rate by the Federal Reserve Bank of America is going to cut on latest by May, but it has shifted to June because there are some data showing that they are not convinced that the inflation will become under 2% if they reduce the interest rate immediately. So that is another take we have to consider. So that's why the market was doing something like this. So There is no such big news in the coming week in USD, but though we have some impact, I'm expecting some impact on this on Tuesday about the CP consumer confidence. This is number one. The other is here on Wednesday, but this is not that much impact, but of course it will have. And also on Tuesday, yes, on Thursday we got a lot of news on unemployment came and GDP month on month, and on Friday, 1st March, I think we got some news also. So these are the things which can change the path of this pair. Either it will break on the downside, on this downside, or maybe on the upside. So keep your eyes open. Maybe it will come back here, touch this zone, then it will try to come in this zone. I'm not sure about it. So when I'm not sure about a particular pair, the best thing I do is to stay away from it. Neither I want you guys to be confused, nor do I take that trade which I don't understand. Of course, I will be delighted if you are kind enough to share your thoughts, analysis. That will be a great thing to add to my experience as well as knowledge. Please do subscribe, and once we reach the 100 subscription, I will start creating. I have created uploading 2 videos from preliminary, from primary stage to show how to analyze the market. Thank you very much for your time, and I would really appreciate some of the people subscribed last week. I really appreciate your kind effort. Please do use stop loss, stick to your strategy, do your risk management. Thank you very much.